You'd share your raspberries with Asher?
Yeah.
Wow. And Evie?
Mhm.
Is there anybody you would not share your raspberries with?
No. Like mommy.
You'd share them with Mommy?
Mm, yeah, a little bit, I think.
Would you share them with Ozzy?
Yeah, Ozzy really likes raspberries nuts.
Would you share them with Zeppy?
Yeah.
He likes raspberries the most.
Zappy!
He's in the bedroom. We have to keep him locked up.
Huh?
We have to keep him locked up because Ender is coming. That's Blank Boy, all grown up.
Huh?
Blank Boy puppy.
Yeah?
He grew up and they call him Ender now.
Yeah, he can go.
He's big like Ozzy.
Yeah. I like Ozzy too, sometimes. But I like pink puppy.
Yeah.
I want pink puppy egg. But she's not coming back.
Oh, we'll see her again someday. She lives with Christopher and Bibi and Maria. Trixie is her name?
Trixie is her name. Trixie. I like Trixie. Yeah.
That's a good name.
I know. I know it. I know it. And I see this picture.
Sure.